KAPRIMA started as a small dream and has now become a proud reality, the largest producer of cold milk-based dairy products in Terengganu. The brand KAPRIMA stands for Kambing Prime Malaysia. What started as a modest operation has grown through dedication and innovation. KAPRIMA underwent a major transformation under rebranding by Tenos Company. Amidst the lush greenery of Kampung Jenang Marang, where a gentle breeze whispers through the trees and the air is filled with the tranquil rhythm of village life, children joyfully fly kites that dance against the vast blue sky. The majority of the villagers, with hearts full of faith, live a life rooted in deep-seated tradition and communal warmth. And right in the heart of this serene heaven stands a farm, a true pillar of the local dairy industry. This is a KAPRIMA dairy farm.
So kawan-kawan, kita ke KAPRIMA.
Goat care and milking process.
Akan tengok kambing. So let's go.
It all begins with exceptional animal care. Only healthy goats produce premium milk.
Kambing kita kambing tunusu, bukan kambing daging.
Every milk batch undergoes strict quality checks, tested for pH levels, bacterial content and fat percentage before being selected for processing. Supply chain management. KAPRIMA practices a vertically integrated supply chain, meaning they manage every stage from goat farming, milk processing to final product distribution. A few suppliers' strategy to maintain quality control. They collaborate with local farmers to ensure product freshness and sustainability.
Intern dan pekerja foreigner dan ada jugalah pekerja lokal. Tapi separuh daripada tu ulang-alik lah.
Packaging comes from Kajang and China, while the bottle caps are produced in-house to maintain brand authenticity.
Korang faham kan UHT dia high temperature. Sini.
Their milk undergoes a detailed process including UHT treatment at 131 Celsius, then quickly cooled and bottled. They also face challenges like packaging shortage during peak periods, but they adapt by working multiple suppliers and maintaining a one-month buffer stock. Inventory management. KAPRIMA manage 5 inventory types. The first one is raw materials, WIP, finished goods, safety stock and transit stock.
Kita nak tahulah macam berapa banyak unit, contohnya botol susu tu dapat dihasilkan dalam satu sesi pemprosesan itu.
Setiap hari kita boleh proses sekali kita proses 25,000 botol. Dia boleh banyak lagi, tapi kita buat bergantung pada demand kita. Kita tak nak, walaupun shelf life kita setahun, tapi kita tak nak dekat-dekat tahun baru laku, contohlah. Jadi kita tengok, kalau lajulah kita buat. Kalau kata kita pernah buat sampai 28,000, 30 pun boleh kan, tapi kita maintain 25,000 tu figure yang on average lah kita buat.
Track inventory using QR codes and SQL software for real-time stock monitoring. They also apply just-in-time, EOQ and ABC analysis to control stock levels, reduce waste and prioritize high-value items. To ensure quality, the shelf life of UHT milk was shortened from 18 to 12 months only. Decision-making models.
Kita ingat kita beli mesin UHT tu terus jadi, tekan button on terus jadi kan. Itu expectation kita asal lah. Tapi untuk jadikan sesuatu asli tu, dia perlu tahu setting dia kan. Contoh mesin tu dia boleh buat 131 Celsius 4 hingga 15 second kan. Jadi kalau 4 kalau tak cukup, dia akan jadi susu tu cepat rosak. Kalau 15 second kita buat, dia akan jadi susu tu hangit sebab terlalu lama kan, sebab high temperature kan, ultra high. Lagi-lagi susu ni adalah susu minuman yang protein dan fat serentak ada dalam tu kan. Dia lagi senang overcook, dia panggil overcook taste lah, burning taste. Untuk jadi susu, setting susu asli ni kita buang 21,000 botol untuk jadi setting, dan dia tak berharga situ kan. Settle 21,000 botol, kita nak buat freezer. Coklat lebih kurang 8,000 botol kita buang kan, tak banyak sangat. Strawberry lebih kurang strawberry pun lebih kurang 6-8,000 macam tu lah. Saya tak ingat kalau strawberry. Kalau jagung 4,000 sikit, sebab kita dah tahu freezer dia macam mana kan. Kurma 4,000. Coffee latte paling tinggi, coffee latte 48,000 kita buang. 48,000 kali 3 kan, 150,000 kita rugi, buang saja. Buang.
These models help KAPRIMA balance risk, align with market needs and support innovation, especially when collaborating with universities for research-backed products. Analysis and reflection. Our analysis shows that KAPRIMA has strong fundamentals, efficient supply chain, use of lean and TQM principles, and innovative decision-making tools. However, they face issues like UHT machine failure, low staff morale, and misalignment between products and market demand. From a reflection standpoint, they need to improve process control, invest in automation, enhance communication, and adopt more sustainable packaging to reduce environmental impact. With these improvements, KAPRIMA has the potential to grow stronger, improve their market competitiveness, and achieve long-term success. In conclusion, KAPRIMA operations show a good balance between technology, strategy, and sustainability. However, by improving certain areas like waste management and ethical transparency, they can become a leading example of sustainable agro-based business in Malaysia.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. KAPRIMA, susu segar yang maksimal. KAPRIMA. Susu kambing segar KAPRIMA, rasa susu yang maksimal. KAPRIMA, susu kambing UHT pertama di Malaysia. Tiada bau hamis, sesuai untuk si manis. 6 kali lebih senang dihadam, buat semua mengidam. Gua bawa KAPRIMA ramai terima, lebih tahan lama dan lebih bertenaga. Pandai-pandai pilih untuk lebih geliga. Tak ada susu selazat ni KAPRIMA namanya. Tak payah fight energy lain macam tak payah nak rest. Memang fresh, kan nak cakap susu ni memang best. Susu lain ada tak ada tandingan, tak ada bandingan. Pada yang nak jadi gol mesti perlu susu kambing segar KAPRIMA, rasa susu yang maksimal. KAPRIMA, susu kambing UHT pertama di Malaysia.
Ingat susu kambing, ingat KAPRIMA.